Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to use the iOS optimizer feature inside of Wondershare Safe Eraser. So after you've loaded up the program and loaded your device, we're going to go ahead and click on this iOS optimizer on the right side. It says one click to release massive space and improve the performance of your iOS device. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And now we have a lot of options to choose from. These are just 6 of the possible things it can do for the iOS optimizer. We can check any of them that we find necessary. So firstly, we have iOS system tune-up. It cleans up the iOS system and boosts your device's running performance, basically getting rid of useless stuff. You can do the download temp files, clean up damaged, interrupted, and downloaded files. So if you've ever gone off Wi-Fi during downloads and it just added up space. You can do app generated files, cleans up the caches and cookies and things that most people never clean off. And for user data, we have the log files. It can clean up those, the cached files, and unused apps. Basically, if you haven't used an app for more than 15 days, it will remove it. So I'm going to go ahead and select a few of these and then click on Start Scan. Now it's going to go through the parameters I selected and clean up the system according to what I did select. Depending on how large your iPod is or how many of those you selected and how full your iPod or iPhone is, then it will take probably a bit longer. After it's finished with that process, it'll bring up all of the programs or things that it can clean up, and we can select them if we want to remove these, or we can just select this one if we want to remove these. So we'll click on Cleanup, and now it's going to go through and clean up all of the things we selected, which will take not too long. And now it's going to reboot the device. Make sure you don't unplug it during this process. And then once it reboots, I need to make sure I put in my password if you have one, so I can get back in and the program can access my iPod. And now that it's finished, it's told us that it's done 71% performance improvement. So now our iPod should be running 71% faster. And that's it for this tutorial. That's how you use the iOS optimizer inside of Wondershare Safe Eraser.